In this video, I'll show you how to replace the ink toner in your HP LaserJet MFP M234sdw printer. So it's very easy. First, we're gonna need to lift up this part of the printer. You're gonna stick your fingers over here and you're gonna lift. Okay, lift all the way up like this. It should stay in place. It should click in place. Then if we look closer, this is where our toner is located. And to take it out, nice thing is that it has a handle here. You see, this is made so your finger goes in. So put your finger through and pull towards yourself. It will glide out, and this way we have took out the ink toner of your HP printer. By the way, if you want to purchase a new toner, this is compatible with the HP 134A toner cartridge. I'll put links in the description if you want to get one of these from Amazon. I'll also put links if you want to get a non-original one, non-HP. Usually they're a bit cheaper. Alright, so once you get your new toner, if it has out of the package any orange labels, any orange tape, you need to remove that tape before putting the toner back. Then take it by the handle, and we'll simply need to glide it. You see, I didn't put any effort really. I just glide it here, and then I'll push it with my fingers until it clicks. Like this. This is it. It's very easy. Now you have to close this top lid, so just lower it down with your hand. After about 15 seconds, you'll be able to print again. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.